In this tutorial, I'll show you how to share and sell your Notion templates. By the end, you'll have a template that's ready to share with others or sell online. Let's get started. First, create and finalize your Notion template. Make sure everything is organized, remove any personal information, and test that the template works the way you want. Next, click Share in the top right corner of your Notion page. Turn on Publish to Web, then enable Allow Duplicate as Template. Copy the public template link. Now, create a simple product page or download guide in Canva. Add a title, a short description, and a clear download template button or link. Select the button, add a hyperlink, and paste your Notion template link. This allows anyone who opens the file to duplicate the template into their own Notion workspace. When you're finished, download your Canva design as a PDF so the clickable link is included. You can now upload the PDF to marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or your own website. Customers simply download the PDF, click the button, and duplicate your Notion template into their account. Before publishing, test the entire process using the PDF to make sure the template link works correctly and the duplicate option is enabled. That's how to share and sell Notion templates. Thanks for watching.